start our new command, that is loft. Okay, so let me draw three different cross sections. First is rectangle. Let me draw a circle here. Try to snap the geometric center of the rectangle and draw a polygon. POL, enter. Let us it be 6 sides. Enter. This is the center. Now it will ask inscribed or circumscribed. Let us take circumscribed only, like this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll move this three cross sections in three different planes which are parallel to XY plane. Three different planes which are parallel to XY plane. So move it. You can move it either by move gizmo or you can use move command. So as of now, move gizmo is activated. So if you select this circle and if you select this arrow, blue one, and move your circle. Now suppose I want to move this as one as well. So move it here. So you can see it will be like this. Now go to loft. L-O-F-T. Loft. Select the cross sections in lofting order. Suppose select this, and select this. Enter. Okay. Enter again. You can see the loft is done. Let me copy this thing. CEO. Copy. Now look at here very carefully. Go to copy again. Select this. Now we have three sets. See, all the cross sections are in different planes because I moved it. Go to loft. L-O-F-T, loft. Select this cross section, this one and this one. Enter. Okay. Go to loft again. L-O-F-T, loft. Select this one, this one. See, this time I am changing the lofting order, and third one will be this one. Enter. Enter again. So you will see that this time the cross section, the loft order, because I selected the rectangle first and then this particular hexagon and then the third one was circle, like that. Now here go to LOFT loft again. Select this one first, then second. See, first is the hexagon, second is the rectangle, and third one is the circle. Enter. Again enter. So you will see this kind of shape. So this is how loft works. Okay. So this is the very basic thing. Means loft is nothing but addition of material in between the different cross sections. Now let us see some more options. Draw a circle. Draw another circle. Okay. Now move this circle. Select this and move it. Also you can use the move command. And also draw a line, a vertical line, a line which is along the z-axis. Go to loft, L-O-F-T, loft. Select this cross section, select this cross section. Now you can see one option is there, point. Go to point, select this loft endpoint, enter. You will see that this is how the loft happens between two circles and the end point was a point. So this is looking like a bullet. Okay, exactly. So this is how it works. Go to Loft again, select this, and then go to point, and if you select this, now see what happens. It is making a uneven kind of shape because it is not appropriate. It is not having sufficient material to join up to this point. That's why it is like this. So go to Loft again, select this, and go to point. Now suppose if I select this as my point, so it will come up to here only. Enter. Okay, so this is how the bullet looks. Now we will see the loft along a particular path. Okay, so let us draw a path first. Okay, go to fillet, F, enter, select this and this. Okay, join them. Rather, increase the fillet. Increase the fillet radius. Go to radius, set it as 120. Select this and this. Join them. Okay, draw a rectangle here. Rather, draw a rectangle here. A rectangle here. Not two rectangle. Place this rectangle here. So how to place it? Now this time I will use move command, because suppose if I move it with the help of gizmo, I won't be able to place, means it will be quite difficult to place the geometric center with the end point of this particular path. So I will use move command. Move, M, enter, select object, and then base point I will select it as geometric center. Now select this endpoint. So this is how it works. Now I want to move this particular rectangle here at this endpoint of the path. But before that, I want to rotate this. I want to rotate this particular rectangle such that the cross section of this rectangle becomes parallel to XZ plane. So go to this gizmo again here, left click here, go to rotate gizmo, select this, go to rotate gizmo, select this, and you can see this one is there. Select that rotation and press 90 degree, enter. You can see this rectangle has been rotated and this rectangle is parallel to XZ plane. Now move it. Go to move, select object, enter. This is the geometric center. Okay, so select the geometric center as this. So I hope this is clear. Okay, go to Loft, L-O-F-T, Loft. Rather, I will copy first, then I will do Loft. Copy all this. Okay, now go to Loft, L-O-F-T, Loft. Select the cross section, this one and this one. Okay, enter. Now we have called path. Go to path and select this as path. So you can see the loft has been made between two cross section along that path. Now I will delete this particular rectangle. I will make a circle there. So circle. Now rotate this circle. Okay, rotate this circle about this one by 90 degree. Press 90, enter. Press 90, enter. Now you can see this rectangle is along the XZ plane. Now move it. M, enter. Select this object. Select the center point and move it here. So this is how it will work. Suppose if you want to draw this circle like this only without moving and rotating, you can do like this as well. See, you can move your UCS, you can rotate your UCS, and you can draw that. Suppose if I select front, see, as of now you can see the front. Suppose you want your XY plane parallel to this front, so you have to go to front and you can directly draw the circle there. You can directly draw the circle there. It will be quite easier. Now go to top again. Understood? Suppose you want to, because whenever I want to draw any 2D object, that 2D object can be drawn on the XY plane. So you have to change your XY plane. Suppose you want to change your XY plane parallel to this right. See, parallel to this right. So go to right here. Go to right. See. Now if you draw a circle here, it will be parallel to right. You can see here. Exactly. Let me erase this. Yes. Now again come to top. From here. But I want to draw that circle which is parallel to the front. So from here, go to front and draw a circle. So it will be very easy and it will save you a lot of time. Again, go to top. So like that also you can do that. It's a part of UCS actually. Or another thing which you can do, that draw a circle and rotate it. Select it and rotate it by 90 degrees. And then move it. So it is quite a lengthier process. Okay. Now go to Loft, Loft Loft. Select this cross section and this cross section. Okay. Enter. Go to Path and select the path. Now you will see the loft has been made. I hope this is clear. Okay. Let me copy this. Okay. Now go to Loft again. Okay. But before doing Loft, go to Loft again. Okay. Select this, and enter path. Select this path. So it will be like this. Now, let me explain some more thing here. Now, this time I will use the guide path. I will use the guide path. So at this point, let me draw a rectangle. How to draw the rectangle? So for drawing the rectangle here, what I have to do? I have to make it front. First, go to front, so that this your XY plane becomes like this. Okay. Now go to rectangle. Draw the rectangle and again go to top. So see, it will be like this. It's very easy. Go to move. So this is how it will look. Okay. Now I am going to create some guide path. I am going to create some guide path. So I want to create the guide path which will be parallel to this, means which will be in the plane which is plane of this particular path. I want to draw the guide path in the plane of this particular path. Sweep that loft path. Okay. So what I am going to do means I can say that particular guide path will be in that plane which is parallel to YZ plane. Now how to do that? For drawing, you have to make this YZ plane as XY plane. So how to do that? See, this right one, this right one, this right, see, this right is actually parallel to this YZ plane. So what I have to do? Go to right here, go to right here and draw it. Okay, draw it. Go to Polyline, PL, enter 2D Polyline, select this, put the ortho of, okay, like this. And also again go to 2D Polyline, select this. So you can see here I have drawn two 2D polyline which is in the plane of, which is in the plane of this path, or you can say these two guide path, these two guide path, they are in that plane, these two guide path are in that plane which is parallel to this particular xy plane. Now go to top again, go to top again, it will come again like this. Now it is a polyline, right? So right click onto that, right click, go to polyline and spline fit, so that it will be converted into spline. Again right click here, select that particular thing and right click, go to polyline and spline fit, so it is converted into spline. Now this is having no use actually, because this is a path, so delete it. Now go to loft, 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 select this and this. Now enter, go to guides. So this is the first guide and this is the second guide. Enter. Now you can see that this is drawn. Okay. Now let us see the last option in Loft. Now I will explain the Loft using the guides. Okay. So first I will draw two guides. Okay. Already I have explained one example using guides, but that was rectangle and rectangle. But now I will explain between a rectangle and then a circle. Okay. So let us try to draw. So for drawing the guides, what I explained, I want a guide in that particular plane which is parallel to the YZ plane. So how to do that? We have to change the UCS. So go to right. Okay. Go to right and go to PL, enter. So this is the start point. Now you will observe that you won't be able to select this particular circle quadrant. So as of now, press enter. So I have drawn the polyline till here only. Okay. Now go to line command. Now again you can see you are not able to pick up the point that is quadrant of the circle. So what I have to do? You have to change the UCS. Change the UCS such that your XY plane becomes parallel to your this circle, so that you can pick the quadrant of that circle. So how to do that? First come to top again, and then you can see if I want this XY plane to parallel to this circle, you have to select front. See, because this front is parallel to this circle, so go here and select front. So select the line. Now you can see that This is attached here. Very simple. Okay, now join this and this. Enter. And select this. Right click, go to Polyline and Spline Fit. So that particular polyline is converted into spline. Now I want one more guide curve. So go to PL, enter, select this. Let me draw that. You can see again I am not able to pick the quadrant. So press enter. So the polyline has been drawn till here only. Oh, see the mistake. What the mistake I have done? This mistake can be done by you as also. Okay, so that's why, see here, because as of now the XY plane is in this direction. That's why the polyline is on the XY plane. So just delete that. I have to change the UCS again. The UCS must be like this. See here, go to top. Now you can see that this XY plane must be parallel to the plane which will be parallel to this curve. Okay, yes. So go to right again, and draw polyline. Now this will be perfect. Now select this. Yes. So you can see here, let me erase this. Let me draw the PL again. Polyline, go to polyline, select this, this. Now you can see you won't be able to select this particular circle. So press enter here. Now go to line command, select this and this. Again, you can see you are not able to select the quadrant of the circle. So you have to change your UCS again. So come to come to top again, and again this XY plane must be parallel to this circle so that you can pick the quadrant of this circle. So what you have to do, you have to go to front. So go to line command, select this and this. Okay, now join J, enter. Now select this particular line and right click, go to polyline and spline fit. Now you can see that two guides has been drawn. This is the path actually. Okay, you can remove it. So go to top again. Okay, and remove this particular path. Go to loft, 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 select this cross section and this particular cross section. Enter. Go to the guides, select this as my guide and select this as my guide. Enter. You will see that using two guides, the loft command has been used between a rectangle and a circle. So this is all about loft. Now let us see some more options in loft. Okay, for that I will create three cross sections. Let us say those three cross sections are circle. Okay, again press enter so that circle command get activated. I'm drawing us three circles in the same plane. Then after that I will move those. Yes. Now let me move it. Press enter and move the circle. Activate the ortho mode. Yes. Again move. Select object. Enter. This is the base point and move it. So this is it. Now go to loft. Select the objects. you will see this 3D object. Now, this is made using Loft. Now, if you select that particular object, you will see an arrow here. Can you see that? Yes. Just left click onto that. You will see lots of options. As of now, smooth fit is selected. Go to ruled. Left click on ruled. You will see that this straight line object will be there. So that's the ruled. Go to that option again. Smooth. All the solid will become smooth. Now we have some more options. Normal to all sections. Now see, what is that meaning? Normal to all section. Normal to all section means, see, from this cross section to this particular cross section, the material has been added. The solid has been added. So from here to here, you can see that it is normal. See, it is normal to this particular cross section. Even here, you can see that this is normal to this particular cross section. Even you can see here as well. See, between this cross section to this cross section, it is normal only. Here it is normal to this particular cross section. Yes, exactly. Now, normal, I hope you are getting it. From this particular cross section, the material addition will be normal. The material addition will be normal. See here, it is also normal, 90 degree. Okay, here also it will be 90 degree. Okay, now if I change, select this, normal to start section. See, this was the start section. The bottom section was the start section. Okay, because this section I selected first while starting Loft. This was the first section, this is the second, and this is my end section, or you can say third section. So you can see that as of now I have selected normal to first section. That's why you can see the material which is added here, it is normal to the first section. It is 90 degree to the first section. Now here it is not normal, and here also it is not normal. You can see this and this angle is not 90 degree. Now change it again. Normal to end section. So this is the end section. So you can see that the end section has become normal. Means this is the section. Okay. Here you will see that bigger circle, and this is the material. So in between those, the angle is 90 degree. That is normal. I hope you are getting my point. Now normal to start and end. See, normal to start and end. So let me explain with the help of one note. See here. If this is the cross section and this is another cross section, if the material is added like this, see. So if you see the side view, this will look something like this, and material is added like this. So see here, it is 90 degree. This is the side view of that cross section. This is the side view of that particular cross section. So this is also 90 degree. So this is normal to both the section. The material is added normal to both the section, means 90 degree. That's the thing which I am talking about. Okay. Yes. So he see here, this is the start section. In the start section, it is normal. In the end section, this is also normal. Okay. So it is like this. Go to southeast. Yes. This is more preferable. Now we have one more option, that is draft angle. Okay, we have one more option, that is draft angle. You can see that when you activate the draft angle, you will see this drag handle will come. Yes, here also you can see this arrow. Just left click onto that. You will see this type of stick. And beside that stick, you will see this arrow. So see the change. See the change. Just see the change. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can see that. You can increase the size. As you increase the size, this will become bulge, and this is how, means the effect of that particular stick will be more. This is how you can change the angle. See, this is how we can change the angle. Even you can operate here as well. See, as of now, the stick size is less. That's why there is not that much effect. Once you increase the size of the stick, see, once a second. Yes, you can see. Now see the effect. Once you increase the size of the stick, you can change that angle. Actually, you are changing the angle here. Okay. In other cases, it was normal. Suppose if I do normal to all section, it will come again to as per previous. Okay. Yes. As of now, I am seeing the front view. If you click onto that particular cube front view, you will see this. Okay. Yes. Now, if you go to draft angle, you can manage the angle apart from 90 degrees. Suppose if you want some other angle, you can do that actually. Yes. Yes. So this is how it will look. I hope this is clear. So this is some more option of that loft using this particular arrow. I hope this is clear.